Hello, Faisal here. Welcome to Bullseye Digital Marketing Tips channel. Learn how to build passive income the easy way. Grab my free ebook at bullseyedmtips.com. Free ebook by an expert. Financial freedom from the rat race lifestyle. Today, I'm going to be discussing Chapter 4, my best affiliate products revealed book. I'll be getting into more details about this book in Chapter 4. And 2 days ago, we discussed Chapters 1 and 2 and Chapters 3, and today will be Chapter 4. So how do we identify products to promote? After you've gone through some or all of the above mentioned ways to identify products to market, your work is still not over. You're still left with choosing which product you want to go with. Using Amazon or Google affiliate networks may be very easy, but all that will help you with giving you options to choose from. You still must choose, and if you make the wrong choice, you will not only be earning any money, you will be wasting your time and effort on something that is well spent elsewhere. Choosing these products is an art. You need to have a gut instinct for it. There are a number of tools that will help you with making the choices, and we will discuss them in detail later. But making the final choice is still something that is arbitrary as you picking one because you liked it. Take advantage of the changing trends that gives you the huge returns in a short time. But there is nothing permanent about it. You will have to keep finding new things to market and will always have to be on your toes. Become an expert. This takes a lot of time, even more hard work. The internet is amazing in that it basically creates a level playing field for everyone. It takes very little money to start a website of your own, and if you're not particular, you can even host your own site for free at certain places. The true experts, though, will not only catch the fancies of the net going public, but will stay there for a length of time and even build up a fan following. And you can do that either through social media or Facebook fan page. There's many different options to do. Let us take a simple example to explain the point. If you're going to set yourself up as an expert on camera, you will find that there are a number of affiliate sites that push products by saying the exact same thing, that they are experts on cameras. However, you invest some time to build your site up as a place where people can come for reliable reviews on cameras. You will find that pretty quickly there'll be a number of people who do. If you make sure that your reviews are honest and accurate, you are sure to become popular sooner than later. Online stores. Most affiliate sites go with the large online stores because not only is it easy to become an affiliate, but it's also easier to sell the product. For example, if you have a site that promotes cameras, it is much easier to sell these cameras through an Amazon or eBay than through some other sites. With the number of scams only increasing, people are wary of making any sort of payment unless they know that the site is bona fide. Just looking through the most popular sites on Amazon will tell you which models people are buying. This alone is enough because if people are buying something, it means that there is a demand for the product. There are a few things that you must do to confirm whether that particular model is what you want to go with. Google it. This is the simplest way to check if the product you selected is already being marketed by other affiliates and what kind of competition there is. If you see several paid advertisements as well as a number of affiliate sites coming up high in the display page, you know that this niche has already been covered and continue your search for your product. The reason for this is obvious. You will be investing a lot of time, effort, and money in building a site dedicated to a particular model if you're going to have to fight it out. It will take you that much longer to start seeing any return. Going in for something where the competition is lesser is a better idea. Probe your competition. This is a stage where most of us find ourselves. Most new niches are already taken, and finding one where there is a little to no competition is not as easy as it seems to when you read about it. This means that you must probe your competition to find out exactly how good your competition is. All the sites offer competition reviews, but barring one, all the others have between 2 and 5 reviews, which is really not good. Even the one site that has promising review by a customer looks like it has been written by a professional article rather than an actual user. This, in fact, immediately shows you how you can improve on your competition. When you come down to this level, you'll be able to identify products that have lesser competition than others. Yes, it is not a totally empty niche, but there are possibilities that are worth exploring. Use tools. You will also find tools that will supposedly help you find weaknesses in your competition website. These tools are generally paid and will do everything from checking the keyword density to checking it checking if your competitors has the ideal address in his URL. Identifying products is all about legwork, and although we have taken Amazon as the basis for our search, this can be done in many other ways. I use tools such as Keyword Tool Dominator. I've used tools like Jungle Scout, doing Amazon research. There's a number of keyword tool out there that you can find. You can just type keyword tools in Google, and there'll be a number of sites that'll come up, popular sites that you can use. Some of them are free, and some of them are a monthly plan that you'll have to pay for. Affiliate networks. ClickBank's Warrior Plus, Amazon, and Google affiliate networks give you a list of all the products you can promote on your own site. All you must do is sign up with them, and this information is made available to you. The sign up procedure is free, and if you go through the procedures of finding the product and marketing it, you find that it is one of the simplest there is. Going for the sure shot ones, like the ones that have a lot of competition, is better, because if you work hard enough and get the ranking on your site up, you are at least guaranteed success. If you go for the hard to sell products, you cannot be sure that even after all this effort, you will make any sales. Promotional tools. Many times the affiliate sites will offer all the promotional tools that you will need, like page banners, informative articles, and even email promotions. Of course, the articles cannot be used as is, but you at least have all the basic information about the product to help you create a wonderful sales pitch. If you find a seller that does not do this, it is better to stay away from them. This is because it shows that they are not serious about marketing online. It also means that you will have to put in that much more effort at marketing their product, and their commissions may not justify this added effort. Use keyword tools. Most search engines offer free keyword tools that you can use to find related keywords. There are also other paid software programs that will help you do the same thing, but with increased functionality. While usually these tools are used mainly to find relative keywords, they are also useful to find the most often searched strings. This process is time consuming and takes a long time, but will give you solid information to move forward on. For example, if you feel that washing machines are a good option, just typing washing machines into the tool will give you all the related search strings that you are being searched for, their local, their global numbers for the month. Sign up to receive my free ebook and to learn more at bullseyedmtips.com, free ebook by an expert. You will gather more detailed information on chapter 4 and the rest of the book. It's free, and I really hope you will find it informative. Thank you for listening to my channel, to listen to me, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you.